How does Python 2.7.3 hash strings use to seed random number generators? In 64-bit Python 2.7.6 this is true. However, in 32-bit Python 2.7.3 it is false. So how does Python 2.7.3 hash strings use to seed random number generators?
It's because on 32-bit hash A is a negative number, because of platform long type size, and the random modules behaves differently. The random module seed function, passing int or long, it will use p_absolute, that is abs, passing an object, a string, it will use pylong_ from unsigned long hash. Signed bit truncation and abs give different result. For example, abs -10 equals 10, unsigned long, -10, equals 4,294,967,286.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.